Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very quick one. We will be making a heat protectant. This is for people that need to flat iron their hair, blow dry their hair, anything that has to do with heat. So you will need glycerine, grapeseed oil because my hair is low porosity, water, and a conditioner. So the conditioner part is optional. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the water, after which I will add all the oils that I will be using, and finally I will add the conditioner. Then you just shake everything together, and that's pretty much it. You've created your own heat protectant. Now, the reason why we recommend that you use a heat protectant when flat ironing your hair or blow drying it or using any type of heat is because it saves your hair from being damaged. Heat protectant creates a barrier. It helps you maintain moisture even though you're using heat on your hair, and it actually reduces the amount of heat that you put in your hair. So this is something that you could quickly do. Let's say one day you're trying to blow dry your hair and you realize that you don't have a heat protectant. You can easily make these. Just remember that the reason why I use grapeseed oil is because I have low porosity hair. So when you're making yours and you have high porosity hair, be sure to use the oils that are best suited for high porosity hair. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, I hope you like, share, and comment. Let me know what you would like to see next. Bye-bye.